I get offers by email to test and review tools all the time. And I even agree to some of them if I think they will be of use to me. Like this mini drill. Because when I saw this little tool, I thought to myself, this might be helpful in sanding down those leather edges. I mean, I have this guy, but you know, wires. This one though, no wires. It's got a rechargeable battery inside, tons of attachments. It's got like 6 different speeds, and it can even go in reverse. Also, a solid metal body. I like that. So I decided to make a sheath for my skiver, and this is how it went. So for only $80, I like it. It does what it says it does. It can be useful around the workshop. And most importantly, I didn't get paid to say or do any of this. Personally, I'm gonna keep using it. And if you think something like this may help with your edges or whatever you do around the shop, I left a link to this very tool down in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.